In the heart of Garbage Island, Luca, a young scientist, resides in an attic-turned-energy laboratory. For 5 years, Luca has dedicated his efforts to innovative solutions amidst the ocean of waste. Within the laboratory, various equipment serve distinct purposes. One collects plastic debris, another ingeniously converts waste into energy, and a recycling unit breathes new life into certain materials. Amidst the hum of machinery, communal areas provide respite and fertile ground for idea exchange among the tireless researchers. While dimness pervades the working spaces beneath the ocean's surface, the connecting corridors offer a stark contrast. Bathed in natural light and adorned with flourishing trees, hinting at the promise of renewal. For Luca, witnessing the gradual purification of the sea fuels a sense of purpose. Each day brings tangible progress toward a cleaner, more sustainable future. As plastic waste morphs into a vital energy source, the floating city edges closer to self-sufficiency, buoyed by Luca's efforts and those of their colleagues. Amidst the swirling currents of innovation and determination, Luca finds solace in knowing that their work contributes to a world where even the most daunting challenges can be transformed into opportunities for progress.